Alright, we have a GMC Enclave. We are doing a recirculation door motor, which if you remove the glove box, it would be right there. Show you a little green pointer. Right in this little section. Right here is the cabin filter, so it's just to the left of it, right there on the side. I'll show you a little bit better picture here in a minute. To get to one of the bolts, one of the T27 bits, it's easier to do it from this angle here, unless you got a couple little tips or a couple little individual tips that you can put on a socket to make it as small as possible, because the only problem is getting that one specific screw out far enough. It's hard to get a tool in there. The other, if you want to take out the other motor, that'll give you more room, but that's more work. But I was able to get in there and get it squared away. So you just lower your glove box. There are two little tabs, one here, and then pop this out, and then you can lower the glove box itself down in order to take a look and get to that area. But let's go underneath here. You're gonna have a panel that's under here, three push pins. It'll come off. To give me more room, I took out the blow motor resistor, disconnected it, moved it out of the way. That would be that bad boy right there. So that way you can get your hand up in there in order to see everything. Let's see if we can get up in there. Alright. Use my little nice little laser pointer as much as possible. Alright. So, right there is the actuator. And I have it disconnected as well. So there's one screw right there. The hard one is right over here. And then another one up on the other half, right where the connector is going to be at. That's the pain in the butt to want to get, because it is closer to the other actuator. So that's the only main issue is with that one right there. Like I said, you can take that out if you want, but I had the tooling set up to be able to get the other screw that's right there. Little trick, do not tighten these up all the way until all three of them are in, because there is little minor adjustments in the slots that I'll show you in just a second. So you do not want to tighten them up without getting all three at least started. Otherwise, it will not line up into the plastic slots. Let me show you. So you see how they have little, there's one right there, that one doesn't move, that one moves, and that one moves. So you want to make sure you get all three in there before you start tying them up. And you will likely have to rotate either the motor or rotate the little nodule that this sits into in order to get everything lined up and pop right in. But that's not that bad. There was the old part number. A lot of companies sell those, so that's not an issue. The recirculation door, the passenger side blend door, the mode door, and the driver side blend door, I believe are all the same part number. So they all take the same actuator. They all attach the same way. So that one on over here on this side is the pain in the butt one. That one right there. This one you can get to, and that one you can get to. I used my 1/4-inch socket, swivel, and this. You can get to the two, but to get to the one that was a pain in the butt, I did have to use this for as much as possible. There is another little tool that you can use, and I can't find it. It's perfect. It's designed specifically for that type of a tight area. It sits on the screw, and you're able to rotate it from about a 6 or 8 inch back and just rotate it like a twisting action, and it spins it off that way for the really, really tight quarter stuff, specifically for door lock actuator motors. And go figure, I can't find mine. But anyways, that is the recirculation door for this one, and I'm going to make another video for the driver's side. This is a customer that I did a diagnostic on for no EC. The driver's side had no AC, passenger side had AC, but the recirculation door had a code in it for range too large, and so did the driver's side. So that's why we're replacing these motors. So I'm going to show you another video on the driver's side one.